Good morning. Yesterday we have completed writing the object type and the new words. Today we will write the question answers. This is the first question's answer. Describe stages in the construction of a house. The answer is big. First 4 points I will write here, and next 4 points also I will write. Total 8 points are there. So site preparation. The construction of a house has the following stages. Number 1, site preparation. The site is cleared of trees, rocks and debris and then labeled. Trenches are dug to make the foundation. The first is in the construction of a house. The first what will be doing? Site preparation. The site is cleared of trees, rocks and debris and then labeled. Trenches are dug to make the foundation. Second stage. There are 8 stages are there. First 4 stages I am writing, and then this answer will be continued. 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Second stage, the foundation, stone, concrete and gravel are poured into the trenches and allowed to cure for a few days. Third stage, the pillars. The pillars are built by pouring concrete into frames of steel rods. And fourth stage is the roof. The concrete is poured on frames made of steel rods to make the roof. Please be ready. When I am reading, you also read in your mind. These stages are there in the textbook also. You can open the textbook and keep it. But look at this answer and write neatly and carefully, because this answer is a little bit bigger. That's why 8 stages. The full 8 stages we have to write. Copy all the 8 stages. Describe the stages in the construction of a house. The construction of a house has the following stages. First, site preparation. First stage is site preparation. The site is cleared of trees, rocks and debris and leveled. Trenches are dug to make the foundation. The foundation. Second stage is the foundation. Stone, concrete and gravel are poured into the trenches and labeled and allowed to cure for a few days. Then third stage is the pillar. The pillars are built by pouring concrete into frames of steel rods. Fourth stage is the roof. Concrete is poured on frames made of steel rods to make the roof. Now you all can copy this. First 8 stages, first 4 points, 4 stages are there. Then afterwards we'll write 4 more stages. That is total 8 stages are there. I'll show you. I'll give you some time to write these answers. Describe stages in the construction of a house. Answer: the construction of a house has the following stages. Site preparation. The site is cleared of trees, rocks and debris and then leveled. Trenches are dug to make the foundation. Second stage, the foundation. Stone, concrete and gravel are poured in the trenches and allowed to cure for a few days. After that, third stage, pillars. The pillars are built by pouring concrete into frames of steel rods. Then fourth stage, the roof. Concrete is poured on frames made of steel rods to make the roof. So these are the four stages, first four stages. You can copy in neat handwriting. Now we'll write second, continue the answer. Fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth stage also we will write. Yes, first four stages we have written and the continuation of the first question's answer is another stages. So the fifth is the walls, sixth is the connections, seventh is the plastering, eighth is the painting. This is the continuation of the first question's answer, and after the 8 point, here the answer ends. See, first stage is site preparation we have written, and second stage the foundation we have written, third stage pillars, and fourth stage the roof. All these four stages we have written, and fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth stages are there that we are continuing. Okay, shall we start reading now? The walls. Bricks are laid to make the walls. Walls. The bricks are laid to make the walls. Then sixth stage, the connections. Water pipes, sewage pipes and electric lines are laid. Then seventh stage is the plastering. Plastering, the walls and the ceilings, ceilings, ceilings are covered with a layer of cement, sand and water. Painting, the house is painted to make it ready for us to occupy. So these are the 8 stages. You have to copy the answer. Walls, bricks are laid to make the walls. Then the sixth is the connection, connections, connections, water pipes, water, pipes, pipes, sewage, sewages, sewage pipes, pipes, and electric lines, ELECTRICLINES, are laid. Plastering, PLASTERING. So these points are, these stages are there in the textbook also, you can see in that. But copying the answer should be the same. Sentence and words. The walls and the ceilings are covered with a layer of concrete, layer of cement, sand and water. Plastering. The walls and the ceilings are covered with a layer of cement, sand and water. It is painting. The house is painted to make it ready for us to occupy. OCCUPI. Now I'll give you some time to copy these questions. This question's answer. Fifth stage, the walls, bricks are laid to make the walls. Then sixth stage, the connections. Water pipes, sewage pipes and electric lines. Electric lines are laid. Plastering. The walls and the ceilings are covered with a layer of cement, sand and water. Painting. The house is painted to make it ready for us to occupy. OCCUPY. Now here we have completed writing the first question's answer. First question's answer is, this is the continuation, because the board is not sufficient to write the one complete answer will not be written on this board. That's why we are writing these answers step by step, stages. First 4 stage and second 4 stage. Okay, here we'll write second question's answer also. Yes, here is the second question's answer. Why is the foundation of a house is important? The foundation of a house is to support the weight of the house and to provide a level surface to build the house on. Second question is, why is the foundation of a house is important? The foundation of a house is to support the weight of the house and to provide a level surface to build build. This is the rubber time. You can rub this. Yes. To build the house on. Once again, I'll read. Why is the foundation of a house is important? The foundation of a house is to support the weight of the house and to provide a level surface to build the house on. I'll give you some time to write, read and write. Repeat the spellings in your mind. You can see this. Second question, why is the foundation of a house is important? Answer, the foundation, Foundation, foundation of a house is to support, Support, the weight, Weight, weight of the house and to provide a level surface to build the house on. Now you can write in neat handwriting, right. Say, repeat the spelling and then write. Yes. With this we have completed writing the two questions answer, first and the second. In the next class we'll write few more questions answer.